Welcome. In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Facebook Stories not uploading. Follow these top ways to troubleshoot and resolve issues with uploading Facebook Stories. Restart your smartphone. Begin by restarting your smartphone to refresh its system and settings, which can often resolve uploading issues. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to upload Facebook Stories smoothly without interruptions. Verify your phone's camera. Check that your phone's camera is working correctly and has the necessary permissions to capture and upload stories. Check internal storage. Make sure your device has sufficient internal storage space available to store and upload stories on Facebook. Clear Facebook app data. Clearing the data of the Facebook app can help resolve any temporary issues that may be hindering the uploading process. Update Facebook to the latest version. Update the Facebook app to the latest version from the Google Play Store to access new features and potential bug fixes that can improve story uploading. Reinstall Facebook. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app to refresh its settings and potentially fix the uploading problem. Use a VPN if needed. Consider using a VPN to troubleshoot any network-related issues that might be affecting the uploading of Facebook Stories. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Facebook Stories not uploading problems. Share your moments seamlessly on Facebook by addressing these common uploading issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a smooth experience when uploading stories on Facebook.